Sairam. Children, this is our second composition period. Do you all remember? We had what was the previous composition period? What was the title? What was the topic we had taken in the previous period? Do you all remember, children? Okay, the previous topic was myself. The previous topic was myself. And this, that is the second topic, I am not going to tell you. I am not going to disclose to you. You all are going to guess. How you will guess? Let us see now. I will put before you few questions and let us see whether you are able to understand. Okay, from those questions, let me see whether you all are able to guess what is going to be the title or what is going to be the topic of this composition. Okay, now children, all of you listen attentively. Now, which season is this now? This is summer season. This is summer season. You all feel very hot, no, in summer season? You all can't sit without fan. Am I right? I think even you may switch on the AC and sit also because it's so hot. Even I am feeling very hot. Even I have put on the fan and I am sitting. Okay. So now after the summer season, which season is going to come? Rainy season. And I know you all like rainy season very much. Yes or no? Because you all like to enjoy, go out in the rains, get wet, and you all like to enjoy in the rains, right? And in the rainy season, sometimes you get holiday also to the school because of the heavy rains. Then you sit at home, sit and enjoy watching TV like the cartoon, Tom and Jerry and all. Am I right, children? Yes, you sit near the window and enjoy the rain. Even I like rainy season very much. Teacher also likes rainy season very much. Now tell me, what do you wear when it rains heavily? What do you wear when you go out in the rains? And what do you carry? Huh? You wear raincoat and in the legs you wear the gumboots. And what do you carry? Umbrella. What do you carry? Umbrella. So today's topic, what is today's topic? Umbrella and umbrella. What is today's topic? An umbrella. An umbrella. All of you look at the screen. An umbrella. Now, I'll show you few pictures here. Can you see this umbrella? This is plain orange color. Orange and blue handle. Am I right, children? Only one color is there. The handle is blue color. Okay. This is small umbrella. This is for you all. This is for you all children like you all carry this small umbrella. Now you can see this umbrella with multicolors. Four colors are there. Pink, red, green and blue. And the handle is brown color. It is slightly bigger than the previous umbrella. Am I right, children? Did you all like this umbrella? Okay. So this rainy season you are going to tell your mama, please get me like this colorful umbrella. Teacher has told. Okay, very soon rains are going to start. So be ready with your raincoat, gumboot, umbrella. Okay, children? And you all enjoy the rains. Now, yes, in this picture, what can you see here? A lady, a mummy, and small boy and a girl. What can you see there up? Sun. Sun, see, they are going out in the hot sun. They are perspiring. They are feeling so hot. Can you see? The rays of the sun directly falls on the head. See, yes or no? The scorching heat of the sun, it directly falls on the head. So, if you carry an umbrella in the rainy season, it protects you from the direct sun rays. That means umbrella can be used even during the summer season. Not only rainy season but also summer season. See, if you keep the umbrella, then the rays of the sun will fall on the umbrella, not on the head directly. Understood? If they would have carried an umbrella, they will not feel hot. But they don't have an umbrella with them. That's why they are feeling very hot. So umbrella can be used even in the summer season. But mostly umbrellas are used in the rainy season only. Okay. But it can be used both in summer and rainy season. Now look here. Yes, the boy is enjoying the rains. He has worn a raincoat, gumboot. See how he is showing his hands. He is enjoying the rain like you all. Am I right, children? Yes. Here see, small boy with an umbrella. Yes, he is holding the umbrella and he is smiling. He is also like you all only. Small boy with an umbrella. See, now teacher, I remember one poem here. Can I tell you the poem? I think even you may be knowing this poem. Just listen to the poem, okay? See, every time I keep on explaining, you feel bored. So in between, teacher will sing a rhyme or recite a rhyme also. Okay, now listen. Up, up, up and under two. Up goes the umbrella, under it goes you. It's raining now. The sky is in blue. Up goes the umbrella, under it goes you. That means what? He is under the umbrella. He is standing under the umbrella and the umbrella is above him. Yes or no? Yes. Can you see the clouds there? Yes. And it is raining and he is enjoying the rain. Again shall I sing? Up, up, up and under two. Up goes the umbrella, under it goes you. It's raining now, the sky is in blue. Up goes the umbrella, under it goes you. See, when it is raining, the sky is not blue. Why? Because it is cloudy. So it is grey color or blackish color. Understood? Because of the clouds. It is not blue color. That is what is described in the poem. And you always remember the umbrella will be above you and you will be under the umbrella. You will be below the umbrella and the umbrella will be above you. You see, this boy, what can you see? Thunder, black thunder. Yes, and here also see thundering and lightning. When it starts raining heavily, pouring heavily, you can hear the sound of the thunder and lightning. Yes, have you seen that? See, this time when it rains, you all remember to see that. Okay, okay. Now here again one more poem I am going to tell you. This poem I know, surely you all know this poem. Okay? Yes. Higher thunder, oh don't you, pitter patter raindrops, I am wet through, and so are you, You know this poem, children? Yes? Again, I'll repeat. I hear thunder, oh don't you, pitter patter raindrops, I am wet through, and so are you, Did you all like this poem? Yes? Okay. Now when it rains heavily, you also sing this poem. Okay? Yes. Now we will see what are the points you should remember. Okay? One by one I will explain you the point. So what I told you, what is today's topic? An umbrella. As you all know, the last topic, myself, teacher had taught you 7 points. If you all remember, there were 7 points to be learn by heart. Here, today's topic, an umbrella. And the first point is, this is an umbrella. This is an umbrella. This is an umbrella. Again, I am telling you, remember children, the first letter of the word will always begin with a capital letter. And after the sentence, you will keep a full stop. Means, why you keep a full stop? That means the sentence is complete. This I have already explained to you during the last lecture. So please remember this, children, okay? You have to keep a full stop. Otherwise the sentence is incomplete. It will continue. Only if you keep a full stop, that means the sentence is over. You can come to the next sentence. Understood? Yeah. Now, second point to be remembered. It is used in rainy season. As I told you before, umbrella is used in rainy season. When it rains heavily, you take an umbrella and go out in the rains. The third point, it is also used in summer season. This also I explained to you. That means I showed you in the picture. Those three of them were going in the hot sun. They could have carried an umbrella. Right? So, it is also used in summer season. That means it protects our head from the direct rays of the sun. If you carry the umbrella in the hot sun when you go out, the sun rays falls on the umbrella. It will not fall on your head. So you feel cool. Okay. So it is also used in summer season. It protects us from the rain and sun. That means umbrella protects us from the rain as well as from the sun. That's why you carry an umbrella. Umbrellas are of different colors and sizes. I showed you different colors, multicolor umbrellas, single plain color umbrellas, big color umbrellas, small umbrellas. Yes or no? Even you get mini umbrellas. Very small kids, for 1-year-old children also you get small mini umbrellas. So umbrellas are of different colors and sizes. Are of different colors and sizes. Now let us come to the new words. New words. Some of the words may be new. Some words you may be aware of it also. Okay. Now you may know the word umbrella. You would have heard the word umbrella. But you may not be knowing the spelling. Okay. Now see. Umbrella. 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 Used. 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 Rainy. 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 Season. 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 Also. 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 Summer. 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 Protects. 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 Sun. 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 Rain. 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 Different. DIFFERNT. Different. Different means various colors and sizes, I told you, no? That is different. Now, next, colors. COLOURS. Colors. Sizes. 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 Get. 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 So, in all, how many words? 13 words. How many words? 13 words. So, these 13 words you have to learn by heart. How you will learn these words by heart? By writing. You have to write each and every word at least 5 times. Then only you can learn it by heart. While writing, you will spell the word and then you will write. Okay. Now, Let us see in all how many sentences are there. I will tell you one by one. First one is, what is the heading? An umbrella. First point, this is an umbrella. Second point, it is used in rainy season. Third point, it is also used in summer season. It protects us from the rain and sun. Umbrellas are of different colors and sizes. Here you have to learn by heart how many sentences? Only 5 sentences. Only 5 sentences. Whereas in myself you had 7 sentences. Here only 5 sentences. It is very simple. Am I right? You can learn this. It's not a problem for you. But what first you have to do? You have to learn the spellings by heart. You have to learn the spellings by heart. That is, how many words are there? Total 13 words. You have to learn these 13 words by heart. How you will learn? By writing. By writing. So, again I will repeat all these words. Just listen. Only listen. Umbrella. 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 Used. 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 Rainy. 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 Season. 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 Also. 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 Summer. 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 Protects. 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 Sun. 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 Rain. 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 Different. 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 Colors. COLOURS. Colors. COLOURS. Colors. COLOURS. Colors. Sizes. 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 Get. 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 So in all, how many words? 13 words. Now how teacher repeated these words 3 times, same way you will write these words 5 times. How many times? 5 times. You all are going to promise me that you all will write. See children, unless and until you write and practice, you will not be able to write the composition. You should know the spelling. Only if you know the spelling, you will be able to write. It is very easy to say orally, but to write in the paper, it will be very difficult unless and until you know the spelling. For that, you need writing practice. Writing practice. I know. See, this rainy season, you all are going to tell your mama to buy new umbrella. Yes, you tell your mama, Mummy, when the school reopens in June, you are going to buy for me a new umbrella. Colorful umbrella. As I showed you in this picture. And you will wear the raincoat, take the umbrella and go out. Yes, and in the rainy season you can see frogs coming out. Have you seen? Yes, how they croak. Have you seen frogs? Yes, and even peacock, no? It starts dancing once it sees the clouds and the rain. Peacock likes to dance in the rain. It spreads its beautiful wings and starts dancing. Have you seen? See, these are very unusual things which you can see only in the rainy season, not in any other season. You can see the rainbow also. Yes, have you seen the rainbow? This rainy season you are going to watch all this. How many colors does the rainbow has? 7 colors. That is called Vibgyor. V, violet, indigo, green, then violet, indigo, vib, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. 7 colors. You all know to draw rainbow? Today you practice at home how to draw rainbow also. And umbrella also is very easy to draw. Just draw a semicircle. See, put down small semicircles and draw an handle over umbrella. Then you color it. It's very simple. You saw in this picture, know how it was? Umbrella drawing is very simple. Children, I hope you enjoyed this session. Yes, now will you be able to remember all these points? Yes, children. Thank you, children, very much for listening to my what? What teacher was teaching you? You all were, I hope you all were listening very attentively. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye, children. Bye bye.